Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have a new YouTube video. Today we will be doing the FOXY Eye makeup look. I mean, I've done this look a lot of times, and recently also on my Instagram page I had done this look, and it's actually very easy and it's a trend going on since a couple of months, so I thought I'll just do that. There might be different techniques in doing this, but I'm gonna show you my technique. It's actually very easy. You just need an eyeshadow palette which has a bunch of brown shades and black shades. You need brushes, and actually that's all, and a scotch tape if you want a sharp line. I'm gonna use a scotch tape, but if you don't have that, that's actually totally fine. You just need a flat brush, angled brush like this, and you just need a smudger brush. You can smudge the colors, and actually a good eyeshadow palette which has a bunch of light to dark browns to black shades, and actually that's all for the look. And if you want to add the shimmers on your lids, that's totally fine, but usually this look doesn't have any shimmers on the lids. It is purely matte eye look, so today we'll do that. But if you want to amp up the look, if you want to give it more sparkle, shimmer, you can totally add glitter or shimmers. I usually love to put a shimmer like the Stila glitter eyeshadows, and it has a silver shade which comes in a trio. I think it only comes in the trio. I think it's Stylish, Dollish, the silver one. I am not sure where it is now, but I usually use that, and it's pretty good because it doesn't have any base. It just has sparkles and glitters to it, and it actually really looks pretty. If you want to know that look, if you want to see that look, go to my Instagram page. I had posted a picture tutorial also, so head over there. And before starting, please subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell so you can be notified whenever I upload a video. The link to my Instagram is also there in the video. If you want, you can check it out. And I had posted a new video today itself. It was the Eid look, and it was the first Eid look, so it's already up, so go there, watch the video. Let's start with the video. So I'm going to show you which palette I'm actually using. Usually for my natural looks, for everyday kind, I love to use the Huda Beauty Rose Gold Textured palette. I have the older one. I didn't actually purchase the new one because I didn't feel the need to, because I honestly love the older one. I mean, it doesn't matter whether the packaging is different, but it's totally fine, and it has a bunch of nice brown shades. It has a black shade also, and I want to use a black shade. It is totally up to you whether you want to add black or you can skip the black part, but I think black makes it much better in this particular look. But you can totally even do it with darker brown shades also. So I usually use 2 or 3 shades. I use this shade, then this, then this, and then this. Just 3 or 4 shades. Mostly there are different shades of brown, and then if you want, you can add a black shade. But if you don't want, you can totally go up. You can totally use a very dark brown shade also, but I'm going to add a black shade because I love that look, and it's actually very pretty. But I mean, this trend is going on since a very long time, and I think I've done this look a lot of times, but it's got a new name, Foxy Eyes. So we'll be doing a Foxy Eyes today. So I'll just zoom you in. I am going to prime my lids. You can use any eyeshadow primer. You can use the concealer. I'm going to use actually a concealer because I honestly don't have any primers. I have only MAC Studio Paint Pot, but I don't know, somehow that I know it's a bit dry for me. I have used it a couple of times, but I don't know why it's a little bit dry for me. I'm just going to use my eyeshadow. I'm going to use my concealer as a primer. Just going to blend it properly. I usually never do these trends type of videos, but I think I should start doing that. I mean, people usually watch these videos a lot, so maybe I'll start doing these videos. My videos, I mean, my channel has been so serious till now, just reviews, tutorials, not funny. I'm not a funny person, I'm seriously not. So I'm just going to powder my eyes because it will crease a lot. I mean, I'm not getting younger, so there are a lot of creases, so I'm just going to powder it. I'm just going to do one eye on camera because it's a very easy look, but I'll just do one eye. So now I'm going to take a scotch tape because I mean, I like a sharp wing and I'm not that great at doing wing liners, and I'm not going to use any liquid or pen liners. I'm just going to use an eyeshadow because it makes it more natural. If you want a more how do I say that, but you can totally use a black liner for doing that, but I'm just going to use eyeshadows because it looks more natural and it actually looks very pretty. So I'm just going to adjust it, I'm just going to adjust it according to the wing that I want. And usually this eyeliner usually has the inner corner, but maybe I'll do that, maybe I won't do that, I'm not sure. The look that I had did for my Instagram, I don't think I had used any falsies. I had just used mascara, but if you want to add the false lashes, I'm gonna add false lashes. It will take the look to another level. So I mean, you can actually do that. So I'm just going to take an angled brush like this, and I want a very fine angled brush, and I'm going to take a smudger brush so that I can easily smudge all the colors. And I'm just going to take a brush like this. I mean, it's from Real Technique because it gives a precise blending and smudging, so it's actually pretty good. I'm just going to use 3 brushes, and actually that's all. So now I'm going to firstly take the lightest brown shade, which is Sandalwood. This is a pretty nice light brown color, which you can actually use it every day and just pop it in your crease, or you can just, I mean, it's a nice crease color. So I'm just going to use that color, and I'm actually going to put the eyeshadow, I mean, I'm just going to follow this line and I'm going to put it just angle. I don't want it to be on my entire lid. Follow the line of the tape, try to create a wing, and then just blend the shadows. There might be much better tutorials on YouTube, I'm very sure, because obviously I had done this look, but still there are different techniques in doing this eye look, so it's totally up to you what you want to follow. So I'm just going to blend it, and I'm just going to take this brown color just till outer 2/3, and the inner 1/3 I'm not going to take the color. It is totally up to you how bold you want it or how natural you want it. If you want very bold, you can obviously use a black liquid eyeliner to just finish it off, or if you want a medium kind of a look, it looks better even without a liquid liner. Now I'm going to take a darker shade, which is henna, which is more, I mean, it's much warmer, and I'm just going to take it on the same brush and use a very light hand. I'm going to take the first shade again and just blend the colors. Now I'm going to take a black shade, which is the black truffle, and I am actually going to create a wing. First I'm going to start my wing from here because I want a nice smoky lower lash line as well. So I'm just starting from my lower lash line. I mean, I'm starting it from here. So I'm just going to create a wing. You can create, I'm just going to top it till here, till the bottom of my brows. So I'm just going to take it till here. I'm just going to create a wing. I'm going to start doing the lower lash line as well. Now I'm taking this small smudger brush, and I am again gonna take the first brown shade, which is Sandalwood, and I'm going to smudge the brown color. I might use a glitter also, but because I mean, this is my way of doing a foxy look, so it actually looks pretty good. Now I'm going to take the flat angle brush, and I am going to take the darkest brown color, and I am going to just line my upper lash line. and you can even make this part pointy, but I actually never did that. So I mean, this is the easiest that I can show you. And I use this glitter shade which is from Stila in the shade Stylish. I am honestly not sure whether you can find this individually because I had purchased it in a pack of 3. I think it was they usually come out with the kits in the holiday collection, so I'm not sure whether you can find this individually, but I honestly love this, and it is pure glitter, but it is very hard because it doesn't actually come out on the wand a lot. So this is a pure glitter. If you want, you can use that. Then I have these eye foils from Lottie London, and these are actually pretty good. So even this is very similar to that. This is how it looks from the same brand, Lottie London. I have a lot, but this is one of my favorites, which is the shade Faded. It has neutral color and it has silver shimmers to it, so it actually looks pretty good. If you actually blend it, you will see a bunch of shimmers to it. So it's totally up to you whether you want to add shimmers or not, but I'm actually going to use the Stila one just a little bit, and it is so difficult to take it out of the bottle because it doesn't come out. I don't know why, whether it only happens to this particular one. So I'm just going to use a Q-tip. Last time also I had actually used it with this because it wasn't actually coming out. I mean, this is the only option. I think it is about to hit over. I mean, but I can see a lot. I mean, it's looking very chunky. I mean, it's looking very, very chunky. I'm just going to add a little bit of this one, just a little bit. I'm going to just smudge it fast because it shouldn't get dry. I mean, this is usually what I go for. Now I'm just going to remove this, and because it leaves this line, that is why I'm going to do my foundation later on. And you can totally avoid this part. I never did this part. I might remove it while I'm doing my foundation. The Scotch tape really creates a nice wing, so I like, and it's very, very sharp, so I like it. That now I'm just going to take a fluffy brush, or you can take a smudger brush, and just smudge the black eyeshadow with a light brown eyeshadow so that it doesn't look harsh. Now it is up to you whether you want a black eyeliner in your waterline or brown. I'm going to use it brown. So this is the eye look, FOXY eye look, that I really love to wear. I mean, this is the most simple and most, it's a very pretty easy look that you can actually wear on different occasions. So it's actually really nice. I really love it, and I'm very sure even for Eid, on Eid day, I'm gonna do this look. Even for my anniversary photo shoot, I did this look because it's actually pretty good, and I love how this looks together. And the glitter actually adds, it completes the look. You can avoid the glitter, you can just keep the eyelids matte. That is totally up to you, but sometimes even after you powder it, sometimes the concealer creases a lot. So if you want to avoid that, just add a little bit of glitter, but something which is, just don't add a lot of glitter, just this much, and it will look pretty good. And once you apply your false lashes, once you are done with your entire makeup, everything will come together and it will look pretty good. So I'm actually going to use the Samantha lashes from Huda Beauty. This is what I'm loving for now, and it's not very bold or very dramatic. It's natural but with little drama, so it looks pretty good. So this is what my eyes is looking. I'm not sure whether I want to keep this inner corners or I want to remove it. Now I'm just going to finish off my other eye off camera, and I'll do my foundation. And for foundation, I am actually going to use the Makeup Forever Reboot foundation. This I had used yesterday for the first time, and it's actually pretty good. It is very thin formula, it is luminous finish, and it is pretty good. It looks like your second skin, and I really loved it in that video. I actually forgot to say that in the video, but it's actually pretty good, and I'm using it again. There was no review on this foundation because I wasn't doing any reviews. So I'm just going to put this foundation, do my other eye, I'll do the rest of my makeup, I will apply the lashes, and then I'll be back. And if you don't want to apply lashes, that is totally up to you. I actually didn't use lashes for the look that I had done for my Instagram. I had actually used this mascara, which is from L'Oreal, very different unlimited mascara. It really gave me a lot of volume and length, so it looked, I mean, I didn't feel to use false lashes, but for today's look I'm gonna do that. So I'll just complete the rest of my face and I'll be right back. Guys, I finished the rest of my face. I've used the lashes Samantha from Huda Beauty. Now it's actually looking pretty good. And for my highlight, I have used Fenty Beauty Overall Veil in How Many Carats. It's the one with just pure glitter. I've used Charlotte Tilbury face palette on my face. Now for inner corners, I actually didn't like that pointy thing. I mean, I don't like that. I'm just going to use this in my inner corners. I'm just going to use my finger to do that, and the same thing I'll apply on my brow bone as well. So now this is how my eyes is looking. It's actually pretty good. Now for my lips, I'm going to use the combination of these two. I had used this in my Instagram video, so I'm just going to use that because I like the combo of that and how it looked with the eye look. So this is the NYX lip liner. Slide on, glide on, stay on, definitely a turn on, waterproof extreme color lip liner. I mean, that's a whole sentence. And it is in the shade Nude Suede Shoes. So I'm going to use this to line my lips. It's a pretty good nude lip liner, and even after using a lip balm, my lips are pretty dry. I mean, I use such a thick layer of lip balm every night, but still I don't know why it's very dry. I'm liking glosses now more because my lips are already dry and I don't want to use a much matte lipstick to, I mean, it's gonna look seriously too bad. So I'm just going to use the Dose of Colors lip gloss in the shade Almond Butter. This is one of my favorite lip glosses. I'm just going to use this. It is a pretty good nude lip gloss and it is very opaque, so you just need a lip liner below that, and it smells also really nice. I mean, this is the lip combo, and I have used Morphe setting spray to set my face. So guys, this is the foxy eye look that I love to create. I mean, this is my version. Everyone does it their own way, so it's totally up to you whether you want it this smoky, you want it in a natural way. If you want very natural, avoid the black color, just use different shades of brown, so you will have a natural foxy eye. And you can also avoid the lower lash line, but I mean, this all together completes the look. And you can totally avoid the glitter. You can just use matte shades, and please ignore the powder mess on my top. But anyways, this is the foxy eye look. I mean, it's snatched, so it looks actually pretty good. So yeah guys, this was my version of foxy eyes. I hope you like this video. Please let me know in the comments below whether you liked it or not, and if you liked it, please give a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel, please guys, do that. It is not gonna cost you anything. I mean, it will be a lot to me if you could subscribe to my channel and give a thumbs up at the end of the video if you wish to. I mean, I have to film a lot of YouTube videos this week also, so I'm gonna be back on track after Eid, but I need to film around 2 or 3 YouTube videos as well. And there will be spa kind of a video also that is gonna come up soon. That is gonna be my first time, but even that will be, I mean, Monday, Tuesday, I'm not sure when, but it will be up soon. So if you like this look, please give a thumbs up, follow me on Instagram, subscribe to my channel here. Yes, I'll see you soon. Bye.